Hey, guess what we're at now?
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
Let's do this again.
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about.
You like that?
Hey, you think you can fight? I bet you go at the first punch.
How about that?
Come on, dude.
That all you got?
Easy on him.
Don't mind me fighting up the stairs. I'm not running away from the fight at all.
See what happens.
You gonna back down?
Ow. Fight fail.
All right, I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take it.
Did you really just try that, man? Because I need to survive for that long. It's not that difficult, honestly. I might beat him up.
Come on! Fight back!
Specifically this guy. This guy's just getting so beat up over here. It's like bloody and everything.
Hello, boys.
Shit. Hi, guys.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊 Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Ong Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
This way. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Way's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry. Your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, dog eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister to give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he has. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not dog eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. 冇問題.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
Wow. People are gonna have to pay twice.
Easy. No problem. You just have to be
From
strong.
what I understand. Except, don't mind me, just blood on my face. What the heck is wrong with you? I hate you, you jerk. Why would you ever do that? Just made this worse. Okay. Made that really worse. Scary. Dragon kick. I won that one day.
You mentioned your sister back there.
Amy? Yeah, COD years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but
That sucks. She was, really alive.
my mother thought maybe a new city, new country, the hooks went deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, when she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
Gotta take Doghouse out. I wanna kill him. Well,
Joey Kwan
he
sells
did
pirate
that.
DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother, we work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. You need anything? Just come ask.
Do-do. Ninja man. Do-do.
No, this is gonna piss dog guys off.
Got your book. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Hey man, what's up? Hi. Oh my gosh. It's like a weaker version of Psy. I thought it was.
Collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog guy said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
Okay, it wasn't gonna let me beat him up normally. So, money.
I will pay.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. But dog I won't be happy.
Got it.
You killed him.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These
Hey,
troops
fellas.
are moving in on the territory.
Interesting. You see this? Yeah.
This isn't good. Beat that punk.
That's a way to take a guy out. Just tackle him. Good idea.
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I'm not sure this music's copyright or not, Sharon.
Let's check over there. Hey, that guy picking up that old man. Fine, our turn.
Thought I needed music. Oh well.
大佬，唔好殺我啊！
有冇攞籌啊？
Yeah, beating the guy up. Shut up. Oh yeah, okay, I'll shut up when you're beating me up. Yeah, that makes sense. Take him out. Just because. Dang it, Chuck. Jumping my combo. You know what? I think I know what this guy deserves. Boom! I would say something else, but I don't cuss. Unless it's by accident, which I have done before many times.
You go tell Dog Eyes this market belongs to Winston.
Good job, man.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Okay.
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here. People need to know you're one of us. We got an
Okay.
image to maintain. Only the best brand. People gotta know you're successful.
Don't mind me, Paco. Oh yeah, drop stuff. Oh, that's a habit I got from Kelly saying that.
You think?
I honestly don't care.
Let me ring that up for you.
It's nowhere I'm wearing track pants. That does not work.
Thanks. Come again.
I'm glad I got a set and a cat.
Excellent.
Buying stuff at random, it's the best thing to do. Why not? 10 out of 10 engine. What?
Call me if you need
Ah,
further
I
help.
don't
Get
say
back
that
to
all the
Roscoe.
time or anything. Don't know why I started saying that. I just did it at some point. Just like this. Okay. Cops dislike me. It's the first mission and cops dislike me. Got it.
Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
點啊
Cho. Hey, what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.
Don't mind me, we look the same, except I have a cap and you don't. That makes me more swaggy. Cause that's what you need here, swag. Yes. Who doesn't? No, the cop experience points. What? Just because I bumped into that one thing. Oh, yeah, sure, why not?
Can you do me a favor?
No.
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements.
But don't tell me that. Gotta get to there if Dog Eyes really is sending reinforcements. How do you know I'm one of Winston's men? Was it because I talked to them right in front of you? I don't think that's bad. Doubt that's anything worth mentioning. Nice meeting, man. Oh, I was hoping that was. Disappointment.
You know who this way guy is?
Good job blocking me. Yep. You're doing a great job at fighting me. Totally. Yep. Get knocked out. I might as well use it. Just use all the executions now so I can get to the real fighting. Lower the numbers quickly, because that's what you're supposed to do in a fight. Lower the numbers as quick as possible, or not keep multiple people hitting you. That's a bad idea. It really is. Oh no! A regular kick against the wall took him out. Oh, wow, okay. No, it says I'm getting too far. Right, so, okay. Fine, just kick me. Got it. Okay, let's do this. Boom! Ninja kick. Got mine first. Oh my gosh, this guy already. Jeez. I don't want to get too far from the fight zone. Gotcha. Against the wall. Dodge. Oh, got your phone. That's how you park picket in this city. Wait, what? That was wrong. Park picket. Okay, got it, Mark. You got it. You got it. Mind the speed. Crack boy. Okay. Yep. Got. Oh wait, but okay. Yep. I'm just gonna run up the kitchen wall.
You? Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. Why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
Man, he really wants to speed up Dog Eyes. Okay, Quan, Tell me about the whereabouts, whoever you are. Phone. Police. No. Phone. Ah, yes. I totally need this. I can't get anything done without it. Bam, bam. Hello, Jack and Kick! Jack and Kick! I didn't think I could hit civilians for some reason. My bad. Huh, I can still see this bloody me being sloppy here.
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
That's right, well, whatever. Confront me! I'm gonna con you from the front.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
Huh? 我真係要咁做?
Ming, I got a message to you. Stop!
How do you even recognize me? I'm a new guy.
You didn't
What
pay
the
Winston,
heck?
asshole. Fuck you!
I wish I grabbed that purse. Hey, hey, hey. I can do all the same things as you possibly. If I can do it heavier. Then grab that purse, gosh dang it. Get back here! Dude, you just killed someone! Going down for a very, very, very long time.
Coming through!
Okay, coming through, man. Don't mind me. Man, I wish I could catch up, but I don't think there's a possible way. It's just me chasing him. There might be, though.
Oh, shit!
Through the glass! To the ceiling! To the light! What are you doing? That behind! Woo! Why would you wait that long? I was like so far behind you. Just stop. Look, you're doing the sloppiest moves.
He needs to be killed!
It's scary how sloppy I got it. Let's play this realistically. Take everyone out quickly.
Fucking bitch!
I'm sure. That's why you get a fan. Something out of the way. Boom. Ninja! It's the only way you can chase him. Knock down the trash can. He's got a knife! So seriously, how do you know I'm with Winston? That's what I want to know. Yep, here we go. For some reason I thought I was the guy getting thrown in for a second, and now I'm so confused. I like your hoodie, man. Nice. I can't see anymore. Fan. I'm your biggest fan. No, I was gonna grab him, but now you're gonna get it. Think. I mean, this serves electricity. This guy needs so many freaking fans. Ow. I just dove myself into the kick. Okay, yeah, do that. Okay, I can't do it yet. Let your guard down. Boom. What? Yeah, I can't grab him. Boom. I feel like I'm in a big fight on like a Hollywood sign. And I pick you up? I did not expect that, I must admit. So basically, I beat up.
Dog Guy's gonna kill you. Fuck Dog Eyes.
I could have actually
Winston
done
owns
it.
this area. Fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Ah, fuck.
Jump!
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
for God's
protocol...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
Kick someone with my dragon kick, of course. Rika! Rika! They film. I don't know what that's from, actually. Community give back.
American gangs, Asian ones, don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.